November 3rd is the Graffiti-Free Phoenix Wipe It Out Day, sponsored by the City of Phoenix Neighborhood Services Department. To date, more than 2,000 volunteers have already signed up to help wipe out graffiti, but more are still needed. To sign up, visit myvolunteerphoenix.org and type Graffiti-Free Phoenix in the search bar or call 602-534-4444. Another way to get involved is to organize a neighborhood cleanup day. Grab the nearest Boy or Girl Scout troop for some assistance, or just use nextdoor.com to communicate the date and time. This is a great way to help out someone in your neighborhood who may be struggling or just clean up a shared space. Remember, when you improve your neighborhood, it strengthens everyone's property values. Plus, you will enjoy living in your home more if you know and serve among your neighbors.